Planet Starlight, we get very excited when new movies come out in your cinemas on Earth. So we've turned the Thrillometer all the way up to 11 as we bring you the top 5 movies to look out for in 2023. I'm Captain Starlight and welcome to another Kids Movie Review. Hit that like and subscribe button right now for the freshest of Fun with Captain Starlight content 3 times a week. Plus, check out heaps of our other movie reviews in the link below. Coming in at number 5 is Trolls 3. Want some sunshine in your pocket and good soul in your feet? Well then get ready for some great news. Branch and Poppy are getting married. Get ready for a troll-tastic celebration. At number 4 is Paw Patrol, the mighty movie. The Paw Patrol is still on a roll. Another big adventure comes to Adventure Bay and Ryder and his team of pups, or should I say mighty pups, will have to come to the rescue. At number 3, it's Elemental. Pixar tells a tale of a world where the beings are one of 4 elements: fire, water, earth, or air. And the story focuses on 2 inhabitants of this world, 1 fire and 1 water. Will this odd couple ever get on? We'll have to wait for the film to find out. Number 2, Spider-Man Across the Spiderverse. Multiverses are fairly common now, but these animated spider movies were doing them way before they were cool. In this sequel to Spider-Man Into the Spiderverse, Miles Morales and Gwen Stacy have to team up again with a whole new team to stop a powerful new villain. And coming in at a big number 1 is The Little Mermaid. Hailey Bailey of Chloe and Hailey steps into the fins of Ariel in this remake of the animated Disney classic. It's directed by Rob Marshall, who made other Disney live-action musicals, including Into the Woods and Mary Poppins Returns. With all these awesome movies on the way, we better start making some popcorn. And while you wait, remember to like and subscribe for more of our great content. I've been Captain Starlight, and this has been another Kids Movie Review.